Hey guys, thanks for joining me for another episode. In this episode, we're going to cover how to hang exterior Christmas lights and what's needed to hang exterior Christmas lights. Guys, first you got to determine the size home that you have. Is it a 1-story, 2-story, 3-story? We'll start with 1-story. If you have a 1-story home, you're going to need a 16-foot ladder or a step ladder. I would recommend the 16-foot extension ladder. It's much safer. The step ladder is just supported on the ground. With a 16-foot extension ladder, when you're hanging Christmas lights, you can purchase a ladder stabilizer. So if you decide to use a 16-foot extension ladder, the ladder that I recommend, you're going to want to make sure you purchase a ladder stabilizer. Now the 16-foot ladder and the ladder stabilizer, any of those products can be purchased at your local hardware store. Pretty much any hardware store is going to carry those types of products. So if you go, like I said, with what I recommend, you have a 1-story home, you're going to want to purchase a 16-foot ladder. And when you get the 16-foot ladder, do not use the ladder without a stabilizer. This is vital information, guys. Make sure you use a stabilizer. The stabilizer stabilizes the ladder in many ways. It's not going to let the ladder slide to the right, slide to the left, or the feet kick out from underneath of it, because with the ladder stabilizer, it's kind of like a hook onto the roof. It keeps the ladder wherever you place the ladder. Much safer. So you start with the 16-foot, you got the stabilizer. We move on from there, we get to a 2-story home. You're going to need either a 24-foot extension ladder or a 28-foot extension ladder. You're going to need one or the other when doing a 2-story home. But just like I said in the beginning of the video, make sure to use a stabilizer. You can purchase the stabilizers at your local hardware store. I will also leave a link down below to the type of stabilizer that I recommend. It's called a Corner Buddy ladder stabilizer. I like that ladder stabilizer because it bolts onto the ladder. It's not going to come off. You can put it on corners of homes, maybe when servicing downspouts. It works really well. I like the color of it. It stands out. You know it's always there and installed. So to move on from there, if you have a 3-story home, possibly a walkout basement, you're going to need either a 32-foot extension ladder or a 40-foot extension ladder for a 3-story home. Now for the 3-story home, I would recommend that you get a 40-foot ladder. That's going to be your safest bet. The reason why I said a 32-foot extension ladder or a 40-foot extension ladder, when hanging the Christmas lights, the 32-foot extension ladder will most likely make it right underneath of the gutter when using a 32-foot ladder. You could always hang the Christmas lights from right underneath the gutter. If you want to get above the gutter, which is a little safer, you would go with a 40-foot ladder onto the roof with the stabilizer, with the recommended stabilizer. Like I said, I'll leave that link down below, because once it's leaned onto the roof, it's not going to go anywhere. It's hooked into place. It's a lot safer. So just to reiterate this, guys, you're going to use a 16-foot extension ladder or a step ladder if you have that 1-story home. If you have a 2-story home, you're going to go with either a 24-foot extension ladder or a 28-foot extension ladder. If you have a 3-story home, you're going to go with a 32-foot ladder, which will get you underneath of the gutter in most cases, or you'll go with a 40-foot extension ladder, which will get you over the gutter, which I would recommend. It is safer to be over the gutter versus under the gutter. Also, guys, for the clips that you will need to hang the Christmas lights, I've already made a video on the exact clips you'll need. The clips to hang Christmas lights on gutters with a gutter guard, and Christmas light clips that you will need for gutters without a gutter guard. Click the link right above, click on that video, and you'll see the exact clips you'll need to hang the Christmas lights, guys. Guys, let's keep this simple. That's what I'm making here. A simple video on the clips you'll need by clicking that link above, and the exact ladders and material you will need to hang Christmas lights. Ladders, and you'll need the clips. Obviously, you'll need the Christmas lights. Other than that, pretty simple, guys. So that's it, guys. If you like what you see, subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell notification, get notified every time that I post a video. Don't forget to share the love, guys. Like the video and share it. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care.